चलिए दोस्तों शुरू करते हैं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एस्से ऑन इंडिपेंडेंस डे। 15 अगस्त 1947 is the day imposed in the golden history of India. It is the day when India got its freedom from the 2000 years of British rule. It was a hard and a long non-violent struggle in which many freedom fighters and great men sacrificed their lives for our beloved motherland. Independence Day, like the birthday of our country, we celebrate 15 August every year as our Independence Day. It is celebrated as a national holiday throughout the country. It is called the Red Letter Day in the history of our country. History of Independence Day. In 1947, on this day, India became independent. We won freedom from British power after a hard and non-violent struggle. On this day, at the stroke of midnight, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, unfurled the national flag at the Red Fort for the first time. It marked the end of the 2000 years old British reign in India. We now breathe air in a free and sovereign nation. On this special occasion, the people of India remember the selfless sacrifices and unparalleled contributions of great men and women to achieve the independence of India, like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Sardar Patel, and Gopal Bandhu Das are paid reverent homage by one and all in the country. Activities on Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated with great joy across the country. People hold meetings, fly the tricolor flag, and sing the national anthem. There is great enthusiasm among all. In the national capital, Delhi, this day is celebrated with great pomp and show. All leaders and common people gather in large numbers into the parade ground in front of the Red Fort. There is great hustle bustle everywhere. They line up the roads leading to the fort and eagerly wait for the arrival of the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister comes and hosts the flag, and he makes a speech that focuses on the achievements of government during the past year, mentions the issues that still need to be addressed, and calls upon for further development efforts. Foreign dignitaries are also invited to this occasion. Tributes are paid to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives during the struggle. The Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana is sung. The parade by the Indian Army and the paramilitary forces is followed by the speech. All state capitals hold events on similar lines, with the Chief Minister of the respective states unfurling the national flag. Independence Day is observed with great honor at all the government and private institutions, schools, and colleges. Students take part in parades, sing the national anthem before hosting the national flag. Some historical buildings are especially decorated with lights depicting the Independence Day. Special programs like planting trees are taken up on this day. The young mind is infused with a sense of patriotism and nationalistic feelings to celebrate this occasion. Sports and cultural competitions are conducted and prizes are awarded to the winners. Sweets are distributed to all. Patriotic songs can be heard at every street corner. Another interesting feature of the celebration is the kite flying event that is held all over the country with great zeal. The sky on this day is filled with kites of various colors, shapes, and sizes. Even television channels and radio programs are charged up with patriotism. The channels telecast movies and documentaries based on patriotic themes in order to let the people and children know about various incidents of our freedom struggle and to inspire a love for our motherland. Newspaper to print social editions and cite inspirational stories and excerpts of the life of a great man from the great books written on them. Importance of Independence Day. Independence Day is an important day in the life of every Indian. Year after year, it reminds us of our great freedom fighters who sacrificed and struggled their lives in order to free our motherland from the British rule. It reminds us of the great paragons which were the foundation of the dream of a free India envisioned and realized by the founding fathers. It also reminds us that our forefathers have done their share of duty and now it lies in our hands how we can shape and form the future of our country. They have played their part and have played it really well. The country now looks up to us as to how we perform our part. A wind of patriotism reminds us that our forefathers have done their share of duty and now it lies in our hands. How we can shape and form the future of our country. They have played their part and have played it really well. The country now looks up to us to how we perform our part. A wind of patriotism and national integration blows across the country on this day. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe and like the button.